How to break up with your phone without the drama. 3 days after the breakup and you still miss it. That soothing sound, the notification ping. Welcome to Mindful Digital Balance. We're discussing a relationship many of us struggle with, the one with our smartphones. Let's explore how to break up with your phone without all the drama. So, how exactly can you end your codependent relationship with your smartphone without feeling lost or anxious? The answer lies in 6 simple yet powerful strategies that will transform your digital habits. Let's dive in and reclaim your life from the palm of your hand. What if I told you your phone is secretly costing you 7 hours every week? Stick around to the end, where I'll reveal how to reclaim that time, and what most people miss when they try. Start by establishing phone-free zones and times. For example, no phones at the dinner table. Keep your bedroom a phone-free sanctuary. Implement a no-phone hour each day for family time or personal relaxation. Don't go cold turkey. Gradually reduce your usage to avoid anxiety. Try this method. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Use your phone normally during this time. When the timer goes off, put your phone face down and set another 15-minute timer. Gradually increase the time between check-ins. Before unlocking your phone, pause and ask yourself, why am I reaching for my phone? What do I intend to do? Is this necessary right now? This simple check-in can help break the cycle of mindless scrolling. Make your phone less enticing. Delete unnecessary apps. Move social media apps into folders on your last screen. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use grayscale mode to reduce visual appeal. Fill the void left by reduced phone use with enriching experiences. Read a book, practice a hobby, exercise, spend quality time with loved ones. Ironically, your phone can help you use it less. Set app usage limits. Use screen time tracking features. Try apps designed to promote mindful usage. Remember those 7 hours I mentioned earlier? Now that you know how to break up with your phone, here's the catch. The real freedom comes when you... But that's a secret for next week's video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Until then, ask yourself, what could you do with 7 extra hours this week? Stay mindful, stay balanced.